This is your girl K did again. My Diddy braids. Yeah, my wash day was yesterday, so my hair's still in this thing. Yeah. If you want to see, I wouldn't do the wash day on camera. Like, I'll just show you what products I use. If you want to see that, you can. But guys, I got another free thing. I would show it around, but I don't want you to see my address. But surprisingly, one of the other boxes that I got, which I feel like could have fit in the mailbox, they didn't put it in the mailbox. They put this one in the mailbox. I have to like ship it out. So guys, I'm gonna open up my package. This is from Verydice. Yes, I got something that I could actually. Katanya, eat your food. Katanya wants to open it. You'll see it. But this one I think has zippers on it. I'm not really sure. But I have one for Katanya for her shoes. I used to wear my shoes in them, but it was too daggone big, so I stopped doing it. She's not doing it correctly. I guess we're gonna do it together. Hold on, guys. Hold on. I'm gonna talk to you while I do this. I should have used the stand, but I don't be doing that. I should be looking like this, right? But whatever. Okay. Pull it. So far, this is what I got. Making sure my address is not on this. My address is on that. So far, this is what I'm up to. So yeah. Let's see what's in this box. What is this? This is a receipt. Think I didn't show you this part because my address is actually on here. Oh, this is not what I thought it was. This is totally something else. This is from Amazon. This is for the stove. So if you guys need stove, hopefully the Verydice thing is already shipped, and I hope hopefully it doesn't have to go to the post office to get it, because I don't know what's going on because they changed the app. Actually, I don't know where they're gonna send my stuff. Like last time, the first time I did it when I first moved here, they brought it to the post office. The second item, which was just like the first item, they put it in my mailbox. So I'm confused. But they put this big old thing in my mailbox. This is for the stove knobs. Finally, I got them. It's basically to put on your stove so it could be safe for the kids, so the kid, you never know. And because right now the TV is in the kitchen, I don't really want to have everything, you know, have her being here when the stuff is not safe. That's the only thing that's not safe in the kitchen is the stove. So yeah. So basically, I'm gonna show you how to install it. I really don't know. They have them at my job because I work at a daycare, and you have to have that for safety reasons. Let me throw these in the garbage while I'm at it. So we're gonna figure this out together. I want some more of that thing, yo. This my pizza is gonna smell like it's done. I'll put it on high. I think it's done. Ooh, the plastic almost went in the oven. Well, it did go in the oven. So this is the my stove. Let's see how this is gonna work. I don't know how to. I don't think that's how it goes. Hold on. She's trying to be part of the show, guys. I'm confused. I feel like this is like brain surgery and it shouldn't be. She's trying to open it. This is not a good sign. How the hell are you supposed to get this on? Oh no. You don't have an opening like to like open it and then put it over it? I might have to send these back, and I really don't want to, but it can't fit over my knobs. It can't fit over my knobs, guys. Like, is an opening right here? Maybe I'm missing something. I don't know. Can you take off these? Oh, shoot, bananas. I didn't know you could do that. Guys, I just learned something new. I wonder if all of my stuff does that. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I guess, can you see this? Yo, guys, I just pulled. I was like, can this thing come off? And it just came off. Like, bro and brodettes. Can y'all see what I'm doing? Katani, hold this right here. All right. Hold it right there. Okay, hold it. Mommy hand is. You hold it right there. You see, hold this part. Okay. The thing I don't want her near, I have to have her help me. Because I'm recording. Oh, no, I can't get it back on, though. Oh, Lord. If I can't get this back on, it's a problem. Oh, Lord. Oh, man. Hold on, guys. I got to do something. I don't know if I broke it or not. Let go. Oh, Lord.
Let's open it. Let's open it. It's hot.
I know. Still not for you to touch it, okay? Guys, I'm still here. I just want to... This thing is not... I see... Oh, Lord. Look, y'all have nothing on the stove. There's only stuff in the oven. But, guys, Katani, my girl, don't touch.
No dogs.
Don't touch.
No dogs.
Hot mess, guys.
Hello.
Yeah, the oven is hot.
Hi, Didi.
Yes, she's trying to be a part of this crew. Yeah. We should look at the other one and see how it looks.
What's the other one? What's the other one?
Oh, that's smart. I should look where it says off and then try to match it up with the off button. Duh, guys. I just use my noggin. The off button is right there, so the off button goes on top like the rest of them. And voila. I don't know if you saw that or not. Hold on. So the off, Katanya. Hold on. So the off button is right here. If you could see that. And right now I have covers on my stove.
Find the other one.
Can you see that?
Find the other one.
All right, I'm just gonna hold on. I thought I was videotaping. Then when I got off camera, it's about to edit it to make sure like stuff is not supposed to be in there when it's not supposed to be in there, which I normally don't do often, but whatever. I realized when I was looking back that some of the stuff that I recorded wasn't recorded, so my phone is acting up, and I can't have that problem. Katanya, go sit down and eat your pizza. Katanya. Why she gotta have me acting up on camera? She want me to act up on camera? Why is that? I don't get it. Katanya, go drink your milk. But the part that I wanted to show you, I didn't get to show you, but a little part I did. I can't get this middle one off. I don't know what's wrong. It's slanted. Since I got here, it's new, so I'm like, it's not my fault. But I got on all 4 knobs. Try to get the 5th one on one of these days. Yeah. So basically, I open up the thing. Let me open it without her seeing, because I don't want her to know how to do it. So I open up the thing. Well, before it was on it, this part was off, right? I had to pull this off. And then I put this part over it. And I put this back on and I just close it. Boom. Safety from these little children. Katanya? But that's how it is, guys. As you saw, at first I thought it was from Verydice, because I thought it was a package from it. And it felt like it. Like it could be. Oh, it's coming off. It's coming off. Ah! Can you see that, guys? It came off. So I get to show you how I put on this one. And this one actually will be videotaped. So let me go over here where I put the other one. It's always good to be safe, like I said in my last video, but because it didn't actually record. Where did I put it? I put it right up here. Try to have my stuff organized right here. I'm coming, guys. I found it. I'm like, I know I put it right there just in case. But yes, guys. Go back down. So this is it. I did it. Oh, my little cheerleader. It opens up right here. I feel like an egg. So I'm gonna put this, as you can see how this looks right now. Nothing's on it. Yes, hot. So you know not to go near it. So this is like that. Bam. And I have to look for the on, off button. And I look for the middle. I'm really trying to do this with one hand. Hot mess. It's on, even though my slanted thing. But yes, and then you close it. It's safe from these little rugrats. That's how you put on the safety knob on your stove. I don't know if every stove is different. My stove is, I don't know what kind of brand or whatever it is. It came with the apartment, but I feel safe now. Yay! But I really thought it was my very nice gift, and I was like, oh my god, a free gift. I took out the mailbox because Tiny was like, my gift. She realized that all the gifts is going to be hers. It's going to be some mine too. But guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being awesome. But I'm actually going to put the Verydice code at the bottom. Might as well. Because it just makes sense. So if you want to join Verydice, it spell how it sounds, Verydice. And I'll put my code down at the bottom so you can go get some points. Yeah. But thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And I am... Alright, today is...
Monday.
The Wednesday. I'm done. Wednesday before Good Friday. And you're going to get this probably like on Monday. So, yes. I did a couple of videos today. Probably 3 or 4. Probably like Tuesday or Wednesday. I'll probably get this one. I don't want to have 2 videos coming out one day. I can. I've done it before, but not right now while I'm struggling to get ideas and stuff like that. But I really need to take y'all shopping when I get things from my apartment. Like, if I get a pot or something like that, I definitely need to have y'all on board with that. So y'all can help me, help you. Just be awesome. I'm just so excited. Even though it's been a month since I've been in this apartment, I'm so daggone excited. And then, like, I'm doing safety. Alright. Because in the chemicals and stuff, that's another safety thing to think about. The chemicals and stuff are way up high. She would have to be on like a tall chair to even get that. I will show y'all. Like, I don't make certain things. I don't make go. Katanya, sit down, please. I don't make her go around. What's she crying about? You see, that's how kids get into trouble. You see, I didn't even touch her. All I said was Katanya, and she trying to fake cry over here. See, she learned about emotions in school. That she use that against me. But like, these are all the products I have. And it's up here, safe. Like, look how short she is. Look how short she is. Like, she has to go way up here by my head to look for anything, you know. So I feel safe with that. And plus it doesn't have no knobs, so you know, whatever. The kitchen, like, counters, not counters, but I mean the drawers and stuff, they have like plastic stuff and like right now newspapers. I use that, like, if it rains, I put that down, or it snows, I put it down on the floor, so I should be on top of it, so it doesn't just not a big old glop on the floor. The other one has like pots, because I don't have like chemicals on her level, so she can get it, because a lot of kids tend to like drink or eat stuff. And even though I live near the hospital, I don't feel like going to the hospital because he drunk and ate something by accident. So I try to be as safe as possible. Yes, guys. Later.